So guys, today I am here to tell you how you can earn daily $1 to $10. It is so easy, it is nothing, only just by one click you can earn $1 to $10. How it is. Hello guys, welcome to my screen, and today I am going to tell you how you can make $1 to $10 daily. Make it happen, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a loser's excuse. Let us start our website. That is from where you can get $1 to $10 daily, plus you can also get more. And $1 you get here of sign up only. Like, it is, site name is the Timebucks. You will type here Timebucks on the on your Google, then you will go to this platform, and let's see how they pay us. You can also post on TikTok, you can view funny slideshows, you can play games, you can install apps, you can complete captchas, you can post on Instagram, answer surveys. So these are the ways that you are paid here. You can post your TikTok video here, you can see funny slides daily, you can play games also, you can install the apps from this timebucks.com, and you can earn daily in dollars just by one click. Now what you need to do, you just need to sign up. You just need to sign up on this timebucks.com, and I will show you how. This is the email. You need to verify your email, you need to write your email, and as you will log in, you will get $1. You will get $1 and in your account, and you can withdraw it when your when your account has $10 total amount. You can withdraw it, right? So you can set your password, you can repeat the password, and you can sign up now. Again, you need to log in it here, right? You can log in with Facebook also, and you need to start, and you can earn daily by this platform. It is 100% verified platform where I am also earning daily. So let us start. I am writing my ID here. I have made the account. I am writing here, and you need to make your account like this only. I will type here my password. I have not entered the captcha, sorry. I have verified that I am not the robot also, and I have entered it. And see, this is my dashboard, and you can see my bonus is $1, and in my wallet $1 has been came in my wallet as I did login, as I made the account in it. $1 is deposited in my account, right? Now how you can do here? First of all, we need to verify. You should go on settings, and you should complete all the informations about you. You can complete your profile here, you can update it, and you can if you want to change your password, you can change your password. If you want to change your email, you can change your email. You can add your payment method here, you can add your sponsors profile here. If someone have referred you, like if someone will refer you, then you will also get more, right? Referral earning. Let us see. No one has referred me till now, so you will get, this is your referral link. You can get it to your friends, you can get it to your family, anyone, and you can say just to join them, and if they will join you, then you will get bonus prize here, or you will get more earning, right? Let us see how much money we get in earning. See, okay, now you have completed your profile. You should verify it also, verify your ID also. Everything is legal, and literally every day you can earn from here. Only the thing is, you need to start from here, you need to work hard in the initial stage, and you can earn from here. Okay, now earning, how you will earn here? You will go here, earning on earn. You will go here on earn, and there are various platforms. See, you can take surveys, you can do content, you can do sign-ups, you can upload your TikTok videos, you can watch videos and earn, you can refer and earn, you can offer walls, you can roll, you can AliExpress, you can go on another site and you can download it, you can fill daily captcha, you can vote, you can see stakes. Many platforms are there, and you can earn in dollar. You can earn in dollar. See, just now we have not completed our profile, that is why surveys are not open for us, and as we will verify it, it will open, and you can take part in this. See, every top surveys you can see here. You can see here this is top surveys. Here you can start from here, you can take surveys. Every survey has its cost, like you can see here 0.750, 0.500. so if daily you take 10 surveys also, then you are getting very good amount, right? And you can withdraw it easily. It is the best platform. I have earned it from here. I am also mentioning my referral code in the bio of my video, and you can go there, you can log in from there. I am not saying only that you should log in from there. I am not taking any profit of mine. I am just saying because you don't need any difficulty to find this site, right? You can go there, use there. If you don't want, just go on Google, log in from there, sign up from there, and you can start. You can do anything. You need to take a step and see how many people are there, those who have earned from these surveys today. 1 minute ago, see, earning 0.120 from India, from other countries, Pakistan and rest all. They all are taking surveys, and daily they are earning. So you can take anything. You can upload your TikTok videos, you can upload your videos, you can refer to anyone. Like in nowadays, today's everyone home at least 4-5 mobile phones are there. So you can also make from different IDs by referral codes, and you can collect good points, right? You can collect good points. And you can, in payment method, you can go there. Payment method is very easy. You can, it just not is showing no payments, that's why it is showing no. And you can go to settings and you can add here your payment method. See, payment method, I will go to payment method, and you can see, you can select here any. If you want to do it on Bitcoin, if you want to do on Nettler, if you want to say on Skrill, you can direct bank transfer it also. Best is bank transfer, you can bank transfer it also. And if you don't have any of this, you can hold off your payment. You can go for any of this, make your account on debt, and you can bring your payment, and you can holding will be means like holding will keep your payment safe with Timeworks, right? A holding means that if you don't have your bank account, if you don't have your Tango card or any Skrill, Nettler, Bitcoin, anything, just go on to their websites, make their account, and you can then withdraw it, right? Withdrawal is very easy. $10 will come in your account, as $10 will be come in your wallet. You can withdraw it very easily. Okay, this is best site. I am using it. I am again telling, I have mentioned there my referral code. Just go to there, just click on that, register on that, and start earning, right? You can daily earn. You don't need to do anything. Just scroll it in your phone, just see the surveys, just participate in the TikTok videos, just see the videos, just see the ads, and you can daily earn. For 60 seconds you see if any ad. See, let me show you. If you go to videos, see, these are the payout of each video. If you watch each video for 60 seconds only, then you will get these dollars. As you will watch, that amount will calculate here, add here, this that amount will be added here. And you can, best way of earning from this easily is refer it to more and more people, so that you can get more income, right? So you can earn from this platform, you can earn from this opportunity. You can daily earn $1 to $10 from this platform. And I have mentioned there, if you don't want, you can go to the Google out it, and you can start, right? So thank you very much, and start doing from today itself. And I have not mentioned here that you will definitely earn from here. It all depends on your hard work, or it all depends on your success. You will only earn if you will do